Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create or add new item receipts in QuickBooks Online. It's going to be very simple, so you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and in the admin dashboard, as you can see, you can go to all apps to open the all of your available apps, and then go to inventory, and you will find item receipts. You can click on it. So as you can see, in my case, I only have two item receipts here. So yeah, this is my item receipts and I want to add new one. So you can just click new item receipts here in the top right corner, the green button, click on it. And now you can just fill the, the field, the form. So you can select your vendor. So you can choose the vendor and then you can set the date and then you can add the receipt number and then you can choose the item like this. It's up to you. This is just for example, so I'm gonna add three item maybe, and then this is the red. It's automatically, and then you can add the quantity, so let's say like this and like this. And if you want to delete one of your item, you can just click like this, to delete it. Yeah. And you can add memo, maybe two items, just like that. And you can add attachment if you want. After that, if you think's all good, you can just click save and close in bottom right corner here. And it saves. So it saves to your item receipts page. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.